Sage 50 Cloud is a powerful accounting software, but before deciding to invest in it, there are 12 things you need to know. Whether you're considering it for your business or comparing it to alternatives, stay with us till the end to understand what makes Sage 50 Cloud unique and what its limitations might be. First up, Sage 50 Cloud integrates well with Microsoft 365, but its cloud functionality can be confusing. Unlike competitors like QuickBooks Online, Sage 50 Cloud still relies heavily on desktop versions for a lot of its operations, meaning you'll need a local setup to access all features. That's a big difference from software like Xero or FreshBooks, which operate completely in the cloud. Next thing, while Sage 50 Cloud offers solid accounting features such as invoicing, cash flow management, and financial reporting, it can be difficult for beginners. The interface is more complex compared to competitors like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, which offer more user-friendly dashboards and onboarding processes. You may face a steep learning curve, especially if you're new to accounting software. The third thing to note is its pricing. Sage 50 Cloud's subscription model can become costly, especially as you scale your business. Compared to Xero or QuickBooks, which offer more affordable plans with essential features included, Sage's pricing structure might feel like overkill for smaller businesses or startups. However, for larger companies needing more advanced features, it could make sense. Next, Sage 50 Cloud offers a variety of customizable features, but that comes at a price. Many of the additional features require paid add-ons. This could make the software more expensive than you initially thought. In contrast, software like QuickBooks includes more in its base packages without needing to upgrade constantly. The fifth thing to consider is its customer support. While Sage 50 Cloud provides 24/7 support, the quality can be inconsistent. Some users have reported slow response times, and others claim they were directed to less helpful resources. This contrasts with competitors like Xero, which are known for having strong customer support and online communities to troubleshoot common issues. The sixth thing is its mobile app. While Sage 50 Cloud does offer a mobile app, it's not as fully functional as QuickBooks or Xero's mobile versions. For businesses on the go, this could be a major downside, especially if you need access to certain features while away from your desktop. The seventh thing is its payroll capabilities. Sage 50 Cloud excels here with its comprehensive payroll system. Unlike competitors like QuickBooks, which offer payroll features as an add-on, Sage 50 Cloud integrates payroll right into the software, making it easier for businesses with a lot of employees to manage their payroll seamlessly. The eighth thing to know is its multi-currency support. Sage 50 Cloud handles multiple currencies quite well, which makes it a good choice for businesses with international transactions. However, compared to Xero's simple integrated multi-currency system, Sage 50 Cloud's process can be more complex and less intuitive. Next, Sage 50 Cloud is designed with a focus on more established businesses rather than startups. It's best suited for businesses that need strong inventory and financial management tools. So, if you're a small business owner just getting started, you might find software like FreshBooks or QuickBooks a better fit. The 10th thing is integration with third-party apps. While Sage 50 Cloud supports many integrations, it's not as extensive as some of its competitors. QuickBooks and Xero offer a wider range of third-party app integrations, which makes them more flexible for businesses that rely on various tools. The 11th thing is security. Sage 50 Cloud uses industry-standard security measures, including data encryption and secure cloud backups. While it's generally reliable, some users feel that its security features are not as robust or as transparent as what you get with more specialized accounting platforms. The 12th and final thing to know is scalability. Sage 50 Cloud is a solid option for small to medium businesses, but as your company grows, you might find it lacks some of the advanced reporting and automation features that larger companies might need. In this case, you might want to consider alternatives like Xero or NetSuite, which offer more powerful scalability options. In conclusion, Sage 50 Cloud is a solid accounting option, especially for larger businesses with complex accounting needs. But if you're looking for something simpler, more affordable, and fully cloud-based, you might want to explore our recommended solution, which you can try for free.